Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host, Crypto Chester, and today I want to talk to you about the one and the only Pepe. Okay, Pepe has really been performing here over the last sort of week, couple of days or so. So we're going to be going through this from a technical analysis standpoint and looking at some very interesting factors and also price predictions to see how high Pepe could be going, and also buying areas for this asset to be looking out for. Okay, so starting off on CoinMarketCap here, you can see the market cap for Pepe is up. Okay, it's at $3.56 billion per, for the asset, and it is up 2.15% on the day. Okay, which is super bullish to say the least, to have it up around that sort of area. And also something else that's really caught my eye here is the volume, guys. The volume for Pepe right now is nearly $1 billion over the last 24 hours. That is absolutely insane. Okay, it's up 76%, which is just so bullish right now. And to have the volume this high, it's performing the 11th highest in terms of volume compared to any other cryptocurrency out there. That's insane, considering it's 28th in the ranking system right now. So overall, Pepe is looking up, looking really bullish. It's actually looking really good for a nice leg up here. And we will go into breakout zones for Pepe very shortly, okay? If you could, just drop a little like on the video. That would be amazing if you've got some value here. And let's get into the Pepe chart. Now, before we go into the Pepe chart, guys, I just want to talk to you about a Pepe-based project that have actually, they're in a pre-sale right now, super early, super alpha, $15 million they've raised. Essentially, it's a layer 2 Pepe-based project, and they have created their own blockchain. Pepe now has its own blockchain for hosting the creation of meme coins. Super bullish. I can't stress enough how bullish this is, and this is a really great project, and you guys do need to go check this out if you do want to make some decent gains. Okay, I do think this is going to be a 10 to 50x at launch, considering they've raised $15 million already. Insane, absolutely insane. You can still get involved with this if you want to. You can. All the links are in the description. I'm going to leave that there. You guys go check it out if you want to. But there's definitely some real meat on the bone for you guys to see that. All the links are in the description. So now over to the Pepe chart. I know it's a bit of a mess. Let's clear some of these indicators up and let's see some very important breakout zones here for this asset. Okay. Did I just turn off the wrong indicator? There we go. That's what I was looking for. So as you can see right now, Pepe has been on a bit of a macro downtrend here on the daily. Okay, and what have we seen in most recent price action? This is actually bullish, guys, believe it or not. We've come down quite aggressively here, and we did set a low of around 0.591, and this was all the way back in at the early stages of August. Since then, we haven't really come anywhere near that in terms of downwards progression, and factually over the last sort of 3 weeks here, Pepe has really been in a really nice uptrend here. Okay, so super bullish on that front here, looking pretty good there. And there is obviously areas of concern that we can be looking out for here, and that we do need to essentially weigh up. But the one thing that I'm really looking out for here is going to be a very nice bullish breakout scenario. The bullish breakout scenario that I'm referring to will be something in this region. Okay, if we can get to this region in the next sort of 4 days or so, that's sort of what I'm looking for. We could actually see Pepe explode up. Okay, I'm talking gains, guys. I'm talking literally like an 8% move or something like that, up to this previous lower high, unconfirmed lower high, sorry. But yeah, definitely around an 8% move that we could be capitalizing on. So that's sort of what I'm looking out for right now. And if we don't get that, guys, there is still actually potential here for another move later on in history. Okay, and what I'm referring to here is this lovely trend line coming down like so, right? As long as we get to this area, and even if we're trending along this, coming down a little bit, maybe retesting this trend line, retesting a level of support or whatever, there is going to be a breakout scenario somewhere in here to the upside if this trend continues. Okay, and this breakout scenario, if we are referencing the macro here, guys, it's super goddamn bullish. Okay, and the measure move and the price target can be this was the previous measure move, if you guys are wondering. This is the previous measure move that we were quoting, something along the lines of this, but that would have changed now. Okay, that's going to be a little bit smaller. Okay, it's going to be something along the lines of this, going on the most recent trend, dragging that to wherever we break out from, and then using that price range to see what percentage move is going to be predicted here. You can see it's going to be around 37.29% to the upside, so looking pretty good there, and definitely something to definitely something to really get involved with here if we are going to be seeing this this thing come to light. Okay, super bullish on that front. Okay, so yeah, definitely an area for prediction, for bullish long futures positions. Obviously, guys, go do your own research. Please don't just jump into any of these trades that I'm saying. There is advice. This is not financial advice, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Pepe right now. And even if Pepe does start to come down a bit, you can see, guys, we actually do have this lovely big green buy zone. Okay, we've had this in the last video that we did for Pepe, and what I'm really looking out for here is going to be it's going to be a nice move off this Fibonacci zone as well, because that does line up pretty nicely here with this trend line. You can see the momentum from this trend line. Again, it is super bullish. Okay, you got 25% to the upside there. You got another 21% to the upside there. If we come down, test this in line with Fibonacci here, we're likely probably going to see a 10% move to the upside there. All right, so yeah, another position for you guys to really be looking out for there and taking note from. That's gonna be it from me. Let me know what you think of Pepe in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the TA, the positions, what we're looking out for there. And if you are looking for that next big alpha play, as I said halfway through the video, guys, Pepe Unchained. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Well, it will. With a $15 million funding, this thing is going to absolutely explode. Go check it out. All the links are in the description. You don't want to miss out on this one. They're even going to have their own dedicated blockchain explorer, like Etherscan, like SolScan, where you can go into the Pepe blockchain, look at transactions, track wallets, all that really good stuff that Ethereum and Solana has. But Pepe's going to have its own one. Super bullish. Okay, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm intrigued to hear your opinions. Drop a little like if you could. Peace out for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.